This project is titled EdAI, AI for Informal Learning. Our team consisted of Jennifer Bauer, Justice Fuller, and Shane Williams. Our project sponsor prompted us with the purpose of creating EdAI, an AI-based informal learning tool. Our project was organized into 3 milestones. Throughout these milestones, we researched various AI tools that are available today. We then chose cybersecurity as our subject matter and to use ChatGPT as our AI tool. We used it to create the foundation of a cybersecurity training program that can replace paid-for services in the future. Some skills we learned during this process were project planning, research skills, and communication with our team and our sponsor. We experienced some uncertainty on how to implement this project based on limitations with our technical skills as a group. We were able to overcome these challenges with communication with each other and with guidance from our project sponsor. We looked to our strengths in order to refocus the project and move forward throughout the semester. During Milestone 1, we researched AI tools that are available today. We looked into various tools such as Hugging Face's chatbot, ClassPoint, Jasper, and Perplexity, to name a few. We decided ChatGPT was the best tool for our purposes with this project. In Milestone 2, we chose cybersecurity as our subject matter, and we did research into what tools are used today and what methodologies they use to train on cybersecurity topics. In Milestone 3, we focused on using ChatGPT to help us make a cybersecurity training program. We fed it many prompts in an attempt to get it to provide us with the information we wanted to include in our curriculum. We often had to refocus our prompts and ask it to provide us results in a more clear way or to expand on what it had already provided. So far, we've been able to use ChatGPT to create 5 learning modules with quizzes and 4 cybersecurity training documents. We believe our project can be expanded on by future capstone students in order to create a more complete training program.